Only one place to start today, and that's with the Federal Reserve's historic rate hike. For the first time in almost 30 years, the Fed on Wednesday hiked rates by 75 basis points, citing the need to try and tame inflation in the US, which is currently running at 40-year highs. Fed Chair Jerome Powell also revealed that further, potentially equally big, if not bigger hikes are almost certain in the months to come. Yeon-seung starts us off.
The Federal Reserve on Wednesday raised interest rates by 75 basis points, the biggest step it has taken in a single policy meeting since 1994.
Our overarching focus is using our tools to bring inflation back down to our 2% goal and to keep longer-term inflation expectations well anchored.
This bold move will put the Fed's benchmark short-term rate to range from 1.5% to 1.75%. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said that this rate hike is an unusually large one, but there could be a similar hike in July.
And I do not expect moves of this size to be common. From the perspective of today, either a 50 basis point or a 75 basis point increase seems most likely at our next meeting.
The decision came as the Fed is trying to combat inflationary pressure made worse by Russia's invasion of Ukraine and China's COVID restrictions. Just last month, the U.S. saw the fastest inflation growth in more than 40 years, with the Consumer Price Index for May rising 8.6% on year. Inflation risks and global economic setbacks prompted the Fed to cut its U.S. growth projection from 2.8% to 1.7%. The Federal Open Market Committee has 4 policy meetings left for this year, and rates are expected to be raised to at least 3% by the end of those meetings. The Fed's rate hikes are an attempt to bring down prices in the U.S., but they could end up causing prices to soar in South Korea.
With the U.S. raising rates, concerns have spread about foreign investors leaving Korea and the overall trade balance worsening. Amid these concerns, the Korean currency is falling, which may even add more inflationary pressure.
Speaking about the Fed's latest move, South Korea's finance minister said that South Korea shares the view that taming prices is the priority and will do its best to bring prices down.
We will also strengthen joint efforts to prevent anxiety from spreading, as uncertainties in the financial and foreign exchange markets have increased.
He said that the finance ministry will work closely with the Bank of Korea and other related financial institutions to respond to any challenges. Yeon-seung, Arirang News.